The Daily Brightness Booster Kit contains starter sizes of Dermalogica products that will target skin brightness and radiance. Daily Glycolic Cleanser, BioLumin-C Serum and the BioLumin-C Gel Moisturiser. Daily Glycolic Cleanser brightens and evens skin tone. The BioLumin-C Serum will firm and hydrate your skin and brighten from within. And the BioLumin-C Gel Moisturiser provides luminosity, hydration and promotes skin smoothness for an instant glow. To use the Daily Brightness Booster Kit, cleanse your skin with the Daily Glycolic Cleanser by massaging this onto dampened face and neck. Remove this with lukewarm water and a gentle face cloth. You will then dispense 5 drops of the BioLumin-C Serum and apply this to your face and neck area. Follow with the BioLumin-C Gel Moisturiser and apply over your face and neck area in light upward strokes. As sunscreen is a must, we recommend in the morning using your sunscreen over the BioLumin-C Gel Moisturiser. As every skin is different, if you need any further information on the Daily Brightness Booster Kit or advice about your skin, please visit our website and click on Advice.